Hello everybody. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing amazing. Today is the 6th video in our exercise series. It's the 6th video, and it's also the final video, the last video. After this, we'll start a new series. We've learned so much, haven't we? We've learned so much. We talked about push-ups. We talked about dips. We talked about the core, squats. We talked about a lot. In this final video, we're going to talk about stretching. 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 Stretching is different from strength training. It's different. With strength training, we're working the muscle. We're working the muscle. With stretching, we're only stretching the muscle. We're only stretching the muscle, not working the muscle. It's important to stretch. It's important for recovery. Strength training, it's good, but recovery, it's also good. It's also important. So make sure that you do both. Okay? Next, I'm going to show you 3 different stretches. Okay? I'll show you 3 different stretches, and then this video and series will be over. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Okay. So this first stretch is a standing hamstring stretch. Now I'm sitting. Now I'm standing. So it's a standing hamstring stretch. Your hamstrings are muscles that we're going to stretch. Okay? So we're going to bend at our waist, bend and touch our toes. Okay? If you can't touch your toes, touch your legs. If you can go lower, touch your ankles. If you can go lower, touch your toes. And if you can go all the way down, touch the ground. When you stretch, don't bend your knees. Don't bend your knees. Keep your knees and legs straight. So bend, keep the legs and knees straight, and touch the ground. And breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Deep breaths. Okay, that's standing hamstring stretch. Let's go to the next. Now we're sitting. We're sitting on the ground. So this is a sitting hamstring stretch. Okay? I'm sitting, I'm going to stretch to one side, my left side, okay? Legs straight, and I'm stretching. If you can, try to place your forehead to your knee. Your forehead to your knee, like this. Make sure you breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, and stretch. Forehead to the knee. And breathe, and breathe, and breathe. Okay, now the other side. Let's stretch the other side, my right side. Forehead to the knee, breathing, and stretch. And breathe. And breathe. Really good stretch. Now, we'll stretch down the middle. This is the left, this is the right, and here is down the middle. Forehead to the ground, and breathe. Forehead to the ground, and breathe. And back up. Feels good. Okay, now the last stretch. You can do this standing or sitting. We'll do it sitting. All you do, you take your arm, you cross it over your chest, you cross it over your chest, take your other arm under, and then you pull. Pull. This will stretch your chest and your shoulders. So take your arm, cross it over your chest, your other arm comes under the arm, and then you pull. Pull across your chest and breathe. Woo. Really good stretch. Take your arm, it goes across your body, across your chest. The other arm comes under, and then we pull across our chest and breathe. Woo. Really good stretch. Okay, congratulations. You did it. You completed the series. This was the last video, but we can make more videos on exercise, on nutrition, on sports, whatever you want. Just let me know. I hope this was helpful. Leave a comment on the video on what you want to see. Leave a like on the video so that the channel can grow. And keep listening and watching, and your English will improve. Thank you. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.